everyone, myself Monisha Charya and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I'm here to talk to you about the topic that is daughter's right of maintenance. Yes, in the recent judgment, Supreme Court has given landmark judgment. So in the case Abhilasha versus Prakash and other, the question raised in this case related to daughter maintenance right was whether the appellant, who is although had attained the age of majority and still unmarried, is entitled to claim the maintenance from her father in proceeding under section 125 of CRPC, although she is not suffering from any physical, mental abnormality or injury. Second question raised the whether the order passed by the judicial magistrate as well as by revisional court limiting the claim of the appellant to claim maintenance till she attained majority on 26/4/2005 deserve to be set aside with direction to the respondent number 1, who was the father, to continue to give maintenance even after 26/4/2005 till the appellant remains unmarried. So before telling the answer of these two questions, we will talk about the background of the case, what had happened in this case. So basically in year 2002, Abhilasha's mother filed the maintenance application under section 125 of CRPC against Abhilasha's father. During this period, Abhilasha was minor, so the judicial magistrate ordered that her father has to give maintenance till she attained the age of majority. This was approved by revisional court. Section 125 of CRPC, which order for maintenance of wives, children and parents if any person having sufficient means neglect or refuse to maintain his wife, unable to maintain herself, or his legitimate or illegitimate minor child, whether married or not, unable to maintain itself, or his legitimate or illegitimate child not being a married daughter who has attained majority, where such child is also reason of any physical or mental abnormality or injury, unable to maintain itself, or his father or mother is unable to maintain himself or herself. A magistrate of the first class may, upon proof of such neglect or refusal, order such person to make a monthly allowance for the maintenance of his wife or such children, father or mother at such monthly rate as such magistrate think fit, and to pay the same to the such person as magistrate may from time to time direct. So appellant counsel said that she is eligible to get maintenance till she is unmarried, but lower court rejected this ground on the basis that she is not physically disabled or have any injuries. The appellant counsel had presented this case under section 20 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. So to answer this matter, just examine the nature, extent and scope of this section and consider the relevant case, that is Nanak Chand versus Chandra Kishore Agrawal and others. During this time, the CRPC that was in process was of AD 98, and this case was talked under section 488, similar to CRPC 1973 section 125. So section 488 was explained in this case, and Supreme Court said that there is no inconsistency between section 488 CRPC and the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Both can go and stand together. For section 488, CRPC provide a summary remedy and is applicable to all the person belonging to all religion and has no relationship of the personal parties. So Supreme Court, consisting of 3 bench members who were Honorable Justice Ashok Bhushan Honorable Justice R. Subhas Reddy and Honorable Justice M.R. Shah held that a daughter who attained majority and is still unmarried is not entitled to claim maintenance from her father in proceedings under Section 125 of CRPC if she is not suffering from any physical or mental abnormality and injury. Unmarried Hindu daughter can claim maintenance from her father till she is married, relying on Section 20, Clause 3 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. Provided she pleads and proves that she is unable to maintain herself for enforcement of which right her application under Section 20 of this Act. It was said that all the order passed by judicial magistrate and divisional court should be set aside and order the father to give maintenance to his daughter until she is married. I hope you have understood the right of the daughter, and being daughter you know that how to use it. I hope. And to get such more information, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you.